Whenever Dyson comes up with some personal care products, and especially personal hair care products, I'm always one of the first to volunteer that I would love to use it, but I don't get that chance. So this is a hair straightener from Dyson, the straightener with flexing plates that shape to gather hair. Now it's supposed to work in a very, very different manner from a typical straightener. I don't have much experience with straightening my hair, but I have been told it's a very, very slow, painful process, and it's a very involved process. This apparently changes it all. So we got two volunteers for this, two people from our own team, one with very curly wavy hair and one with very, very straight hair. What did these two think and what did we think?
Till 4 years back, there was not much to consider as beauty tech. But now with products looking straight from the future and claims straight off a sci-fi movie, it is a segment you cannot ignore. Our case in point today, the Dyson Coral. Dyson has wowed us with their air purifiers, air wrap and even their supersonic hairdryer in the past. And their biggest claim with hair products has been that it damages the hair much less than competition. Competition brands also claim that, but Dyson goes one step ahead to prove it. This time with the Dyson Coral, it's no different. The design looks similar to what you would expect with a hair straightener, but there is this little sliding lock that keeps the two hands of the Dyson Coral together. There is the temperature button and there's also an airplane mode in this straightener. It looks super fancy, but does it also dress to impress with its functionality? So you want flat, smooth and straight hair out of this, but Dyson bends the rules and doesn't give you a traditional flat iron here. These are flexing plates that curve around the hair and avoid the splaying out effect that some irons give the hair. This is the first hair straightener to do so. So instead of tightening your grip on the iron to make sure every strand is included, you can rely on these flexing plates to do the job. There are 3 temperature settings that come on the Coral, and the highest one was 210 degrees Celsius, and it was good enough to smoothen out our hair. So it does work pretty quickly and effectively on already pretty straight hair. But the real test is in smoothing out curls like this. So did it manage to? Well, taking just a section of the hair, it managed to do a decent job. One better than most irons we have used in the past. The ends were smooth too, which is a big plus.
So as you can see, I actually have very, very curly hair, pretty tight curls. So I was a little skeptical trying out the Dyson Coral today, but I did take one section of my hair and I have to say it did a pretty good job. It was very fast. Usually when I have to straighten out my entire hair, I usually have to go for a blow dry and then use an iron on it. But Dyson has eliminated that step for me, and not just that, it did leave my hair feeling pretty shiny and smooth. The ends were very smooth as well, so I'm overall very happy.
You can also try different hairstyles on this. You can curl your hair, do little waves and just simply experiment. Dyson has cut the cord with this hair straightener and it can be simply propped up on this stand and charged. It runs on a 4-cell lithium-ion battery. A full charge will make the Dyson Coral last around just 30 minutes of use. The battery meets travel standards on flight mode, and it's easy to wrap this up in a special travel bag and carry around. Now, one thing we all know Dyson is associated with is its loaded price tag. So Dyson did not surprise us when we heard this comes for 36,900 rupees. It is expensive, but it does perform better than any iron we have used. Dyson proves the damage is much less, and in our time with the product, we did feel that way too. If you iron out your hair often, this is meant for you. With excellent damage control and cordless versatility, you can let your hair down and this will not let you down.